Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the actual 986 or 996 Boxster or 911 light switch, which is behind this part here. And so what you got to do is, first thing you do is take those two screws off, either T20 or a Phillips head, depending who's done the work on the car, but they usually T20. Take those two screws off. Once you do that, pull the little lever out a little bit so you can see the bottom part. This one here I already take it out so I can actually show in the video. You take it, it's already unclipped, so what you do is you pull it out just enough so you can see that little brass looking lever there. So while you're holding it out like that with one hand, use your other hand like a little pick or little small screwdriver to push the little lever up to release this part off. I'll show you what I mean. It's the lever there, alright? So I'm using my body to hold the little pick. So all you gotta do is push it in, push the little lever in, like that, and then you pull the switch out, alright? So you'll be here, installation position will be here, so you pull it out a little bit until you see the little brass lever underneath here that I just showed you, and pull the pick there, and that will come off. When that comes off, you put it down on the floor, and then you come here and you take a 24 mil. It's a 24 mil socket, or a 15, 16. Doesn't matter. Take that one off. And if you look closely in here, there's one little hole there. There's a screw holding this part into there. This car here didn't have one. Someone took it off and didn't put it back on, so it doesn't matter. So I'm going to put a new speed clip behind there so I can actually fit this properly. And once you get the nut off, all you do is wiggle this whole part out like that, and be careful, make sure you go that way, sort of squeeze in, and then like that. And I'll show you what I mean. Don't just rip it off slowly. There's a little lever there, so you sort of wiggle. So when it comes out to here, sort of come towards here and then up, down, and sort of out. So you don't break that lever there. That's what I'm talking about. That lever there can get caught there and you break the whole thing. And then I already disconnect the plug on this one. The plug's just behind it. Here, one plug there. So that plug goes there. And the smaller plug, the bigger plug goes here, and the smaller plug goes here. And it doesn't really matter, there's a shape on this one here. See the shape of this plug? That part there, the middle part shaped exactly the same as here, so don't worry, it only goes one way. See that part there? Which is a good thing. This part here can go only, this middle part can only go into this part here one way, alright? So now once you get to here, all you gotta do is take this part off. So this little, I usually put a little mark there. So mark there and there, so you know, that's only for you. I know where it goes, but just for you guys. Put a little mark there and there so you know where it goes. So just push the little lugs in. This one's already broken. Doesn't matter, push the lugs in and then use a screwdriver just to pop it up. That part there has to come off. So when that, you just push it up a little bit. 1, 2, 3 of them and one here. Or you just put a little screwdriver there and just like that, and you just push it up and it comes out like that. I'll show you what I mean. So it just comes out like this. Take the plug out, so the plug off, and now you see what I mean. See? What you gotta do is twist. What you gotta do is twist this part so that, twist it from the bottom so this part here and that part there lines up with the hole cut out, and that's when you get that switch out. So you get it out and you put the new switch, you just gotta push it in and then twist it again the same way. If you're not sure how it goes, just get a little marker. That's what I usually do. Put a little marker there and put a little marker here. And put a little marker there. So you know that's in the lock position. Alright, so when you unlock it, it will just go the other way. So once you do that, yeah, once all you finish, take it off, put the new one back on, and then reassemble the same way as I described before. Alright, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.